Welcome everyone. Today we will be discussing about YouTube and we will further see the role of AI in the YouTube virtual world. Let's see some facts to know about how much we are linked to it. Can you believe if I say YouTube is the world's second largest search engine and second most visited site after Google? YouTube is the second most popular social media platform with 1.9 billion users. 500 hours of videos are uploaded to YouTube every minute. We watch around 1 billion hours of YouTube videos a day, which amounts to more than Netflix and Facebook video combined together. 81% of US parents use YouTube to find content for their children. So, your parents might now be looking for it in YouTube sections as well. Over half of YouTube users use the site to work out how to do things they have not done before. And now through all these facts, you must be fairly aware of how much importance this technology means to you and the world. All these things might not even be there if AI had not come to rescue YouTube. As you can see, YouTube owes a lot to programmers and coders for creating such AI that can help them resolve problems easily and effectively to mass users around the globe. So here are some notable roles AI took charge of. The first one is automatically removing objectionable content. Think of how many videos would be getting uploaded every minute on site. But what if any fake content or spam also gets uploaded? To prevent such mishappenings, YouTube AI takes responsibility to automatically block and delete such content. Because of this, a lot of confusion and manpower has been saved, along with the tiring outcomes if any person was given the task to remove it manually. Through this, it also aims to predict any terrorist activity undergoing and identify the objectionable content before going to mass users. Also take note that these fake contents get deleted even before they get 10 views on net. Fast, isn't it? The second one is new effects on videos. Most of the time, the background determines the nature of the video. Google's artificial intelligence researchers trained a neural network to be able to swap out backgrounds on videos without the need for specialized equipment. Creating such AI was a complicated and time-consuming process. The researchers trained an algorithm with carefully labeled imagery that allowed the algorithm to learn patterns, and result is a fast system that can keep up with the video. The third one is the up next feature. Do you remember the recommendations you get while you play any video? Well, the AI is configured to get you the content in the up next list. So it monitors your activity, how much time you spend time on watching any video. It also predicts and chooses the video which will grab your attention. And that's how a normal person ends up using more than 40 minutes on YouTube only. Since the data set in YouTube is constantly changing, as if users upload hours of video every minute, the AI required to power its recommendation has to be able to handle real-time recommendations while the new data is constantly added by users. The solution they came up with is a new two-part system. The first is candidate generation, where the algorithm assesses the YouTube history of the user. The second part is a ranking system that assigns a score to each video. The more people spend time watching it, the more it gets recommended. The next feature is training on depth prediction. Google AI researchers use more than 2000 many challenge videos posted on the platform to create an AI model with the ability to discern the depth of field in videos. This effect successfully measures the development of augmented reality experiences. The last one is Google Smart Reply feature. This feature was previously available for other Google services, but in July 2020, it was reconfigured to be used on YouTube. This feature allows the content owner to reply instantly to the comments in the comment section, as the AI automatically chooses a band of words that can be clicked and there it is, sent successfully. This allows the owners to be in touch with the audience as well as saves a lot of time so that he may use it for more productivity.